All right, welcome back. Well, I suppose the big news this week has to be the announcement of the shutdown, the demise of G Plus, Google Plus. Now, this was supposed to be a competitor to Facebook. It never really materialized. G Plus was established back in 2011, I do believe, and it never really caught on. I suppose G Plus didn't catch on for several reasons. One of them being that maybe Google started they came to the plate too late to start something like this. Another reason being that I never found G Plus quite as user friendly or as robust as Facebook. I think there is a market, a need for an alternative to Facebook. This is something I've talked about in the past. I think a name like Family Book would be fantastic. For something like Family Book to succeed, I think it would have to be privately funded by donations versus corporations getting involved. It would have to be something completely different and, of course, very user friendly. That's all I have for this quick commentary. Let me know what you guys think. I personally will not be missing G+. What about you?